Once upon a time, there lived a crow in a small village. That crow was very intelligent and clever. He used to solve every problem. The people of that village were very surprised to see his talent. One day, it was very hot in the village during the summer season. All the animals and birds were also looking for shade. Even the trees looked very sad as their leaves were falling. It was so hot there that even the rivers were drying up and everyone was feeling very thirsty. In such heat, the crow was wandering from this tree to that tree in search of water. He was roaming from this branch to that branch, but he could not find water anywhere because it was dry everywhere. The crow's throat was drying up, due to which he was becoming weak. When the crow was losing hope, then only his eyes fall on a pot of water lying nearby. The crow becomes very happy when he finds that there is little water left in the pot. He immediately goes down and tries to drink water. But the water level was very low, due to which its beak cannot reach there. But the clever crow did not give up. He looked around and saw small stones lying on the ground. An idea came to his mind. He picked up a stone with his beak and dropped it into the pot. As he put the stone in the pot, the water level started rising. The crow kept dropping one stone after another into the water until the water level came up. The crow became very happy as soon as the water level rises up and quenched its thirst by drinking the water. He drank a lot of water, then he got relief. But the clever crow did not stop there. He saw that there was still water left in the pot. Then he thought that the thirst of other animals could also be quenched with this water. Then he called the birds around so that they too could drink water from the pot. Soon the news of this incident spread in the whole forest and all the animals came near the pot to drink water. After coming there, he saw that a crow is continuously dropping stones into the pot so that the water level comes up. All those animals quenched their thirst by drinking water and thanked the crow. All the animals and birds of the forest praised the crow for this clever and kind deed. They gave the status of a hero to the crow, who saved them from the scorching heat. Thirsty Crow Story Moral: no matter how difficult the situation is, with determination, cleverness, and a kind heart we can find solutions to overcome any challenges of our life. Summary: in a village, a clever crow searches for water during the summer season. On finding a pitcher which is half filled, he starts putting pebbles into the pitcher. The water level starts rising and the crow quenches his thirst. The crow's act of sharing water and helping other animals teaches the importance of cleverness and kindness, and finding innovative solutions to overcome challenges.